The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a ton of AI features including Circle to Search, Live Translate, Chat Assist and lots of generative AI photo editing tools. You also get a stronger titanium design, a flat and a brighter display and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, but at $1,300 the S24 Ultra is $100 more than the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you get a less powerful telephoto zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra hopes to redefine the smart in smartphone with a wave of AI features that touch nearly aspect of the device. Want to type a note in just the right tone? There's Chat Assist in the keyboard. Want to speak to someone in another language? Let Live Translate take over in the phone app. Or you could just circle those sneakers you just saw on TikTok and instantly look them up with Circle to Search. Throw in a ton of generative AI photo features including moving subjects around and filling in backgrounds and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But Samsung deserves credit for making the Galaxy S23 Ultra's AI features fairly intuitive and simple to discover. Just look for a little button with 3 little magic pixel dust-like animations. If you see that, chances are you can do something cool. Not so cool is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's $1,300 price. It's $100 more than the Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max, making it the priciest flagship yet that's not a foldable phone. You also lose the 10x optical zoom from Samsung's previous Ultra, replaced with a less powerful but sharper 50MP 5x telephoto lens. But Samsung wants to win you over with other upgrades including a stronger titanium design and a flat display that's insanely bright. Is the Galaxy S24 Ultra the best phone yet? Here's my pros and cons so far after some hands-on time with the phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a release date of January 31 and it's available for pre-order now. The S24 Ultra pricing starts at a steep $1,299 for 256GB of storage. Other options include 512GB and 1TB. If you take advantage of Galaxy S24 Ultra pre-orders, you can get the 512GB model for the price of the 256GB option and the 1TB model for the 512GB price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a few important design upgrades you need to know about. First, it uses a titanium frame instead of aluminum, so you get more protection from drops and scratches. Second, the display has 42% slimmer bezels and an 11% slimmer camera. The result is a design that should be more durable, even if it's about the same weight as the S23 Ultra. The narrower bezels also make the handset narrower and therefore slightly easier to use with one hand than the S23 Ultra, and it's slightly slimmer too, at 6.40 by 3.11 by 0.34 inches versus 6.4 by 3.0 by 0.35 inches. The Galaxy S24 Ultra colors are more fun this time around. You can choose from the more tame titanium black and titanium grey or go for the bolder titanium violet and titanium yellow. My favorite is the violet option, but yellow is vibrant without being too in your face. The Galaxy S24 Ultra represents a huge bet on AI as a selling point for getting people to upgrade their phones. Sure, there's other notable enhancements such as the brighter flat display, titanium frame, faster chip and 7 years of updates. But the real star of the show is AI. And based on my initial impressions, I do think several of the features are worthwhile and just as important, easy to use. I am particularly impressed by the auto summaries for notes and the quick fixes for images based on suggestions. However, I think users might be confused by some photo editing options being tucked under the info button and others under a generative AI button. Circle to Search in particular could be a game changer as it works in any app. Do all these upgrades add up to a $1,299 phone? That's a lot of money to spend on even the most ultimate of flagships. So stay tuned to our full Galaxy S24 Ultra review to see if it's truly worth the splurge.